Mr. Raul, and today we are back with the Scratch tutorials. So last off, we left off with we finished this, but we left off all of these. So today we're gonna finish off our operators, and yeah. So first we have the join blank and blank. So as you can see, there is no and, but there's imaginary and in there, but it won't show it. So this basically just puts it together. It doesn't add like in mathematical way. It will just put it together. Like if I put 90 and 20, it won't be like what you expect. Like it won't add them together. Like if I put 90 and 10, it won't be 100. It will be 9,010. So this and it works for numbers, and also it works for words. So you can do this forever. Like if you can put it in the second one, and then you can just keep on putting it, and then it will go on forever. So next is letter blank of blank. So this is used to find like if there is no, it's not used to find. It is used to tell like which letter is in the first position, second or third, fourth, fifth, like how long your word is. So if I say like hello, and I say like 5. Oh wait, is there a 5? Yeah, there is a 5. So that would be the O. So if I just click on this, it'll say O. But if you put like 10, then it will be blank because hello is only 5 characters long. And see, it's a blank. So that's for that. Okay, why can't I drag it back? Okay. Next is length of blank. So this is used to find the length of a number or a word. So as an example, they have like apple, but I'm just gonna put like. So if since the length of like is 4 characters, then it will be 4 characters. It will say 4. So as you can see, it says 4. But also it works for numbers. So if I put like 5,050, then it will be 4 again because there's 4 numbers in not 4 numbers, 4 digits in 5,550. Okay, so this next one is a true false. So this is blank contains blank. So blank contains blank is basically used to find like a letter or a digit in a number or a word. So if I say like video contains I, then it will say true because there's an I in video. But if I say like a Z, then it will say false because the letter Z is not in video. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete that. Okay, so this also works for numbers, as I said. So like if I put like 80 and I say if 80 contains 0, it will say true because the digit 0 is in 80. And as you can see, it says true. And if I say 9, then it will say false because the digit 9 is not in 80. So false. Okay, this next one might confuse you guys. It's called mod. Mod is basically to find like the remainder. So if I put like 10 and 2, so 10 is divisible by 2. So the remainder is 0. So it will say the remainder. So it's 0. And if I put like if I put 3 here, if I put 3 here, then it will say 1 because 3 times 3 is 9, and 10 minus 9 is 1. So as you can see, it says 1. Okay, the next one is round. This is used for decimals. So decimals like 10.4. 10.4 will be rounded to 10 because 4 is not a 5 or greater. So it will just be rounded down to 10. So if I put just 5, then it will be 11 because 5 is 5 or greater. So it's 11. Next, the last one for this video has a lot of options like floor, ceiling, sine, cosine, tangent, and log. So these I'm not going to cover because they're really advanced. So first one we're going to do is ABS. ABS stands for absolute value. So absolute value basically for a negative number, it's only one way. You can't change a positive number into a negative number. It can only change a negative number to a positive number. It just does this by removing the negative sign. So if I put negative 20, and if I just play it, then it will be 20 because if you remove the sign of 20, then or if you remove the negative sign from 20, it'll be 20. So this works for any negative number. So if I even do a negative 10,000, then it will be 10,000. Okay, so okay, the final one we're gonna do is square root. So if you don't know what square root is, it's like for a square number. It's finding what number times itself is the number. So if I put like 4, since 2 times 2 is 4, then it will be 2. If I put like 16, it will be 4 because 4 times 4 is 16. So it can go on and on until like 100, where it will be 10 because 10 times 10 is 100. It will go on forever and ever and ever. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. If you liked it, then hit that thumbs up button and subscribe and ring the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Bye guys.